If the definition of being the world's first in the world of innovative display technologies and showcases, then it would be Samsung. In this case, it is all to do with MicroLED, but not just any MicroLED, we now have transparent MicroLED. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's our first early look at Samsung's transparent MicroLED display here at CES 2024 in Las Vegas. Yes, you heard correctly. Samsung is pushing the boundaries of MicroLED display with the world's first transparent MicroLED. Now, you may be asking yourself, just like we are here, what's the purpose of this and why are Samsung doing it? The initial answer is pretty much, why not? But also, the core fundamentals for Samsung is elevating the display viewing experience in places that have never been before, allowing the end user to shape the multimedia experience that they want in ways that suits their surroundings. The transparent MicroLED might look like a large rectangular piece of glass, but it's actually made up of extremely small micro-LEDs that eliminate seams and light refraction. This basically allows the transparent micro-LED to create clear and uninterrupted images and pictures so that many different use cases can be used both at home, working, or actually in your business environment. Due to the nature of the glass, the transparent micro-LED offers a flexible size and shape configurations thanks to the modular designs, allowing for different form factors with basically minimal limitation. Nothing was mentioned in regards to core specifications like max resolution, brightness, etc. But at first glance, the visual clarity and brightness for what it is effectively a proof in concept showcase is actually really good. To think of what is basically a completely see-through piece of glass with the ability to display high quality images and video is really amazing to see. And compared to that of transparent OLED and LCD, this is a huge step in the right direction, all thanks to the increased brightness potential that comes with micro-LED chips being used. What's your thoughts on Samsung's world's first transparent micro-LED display? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.